Hello to all my gorgeous people, it's Amina over here, and today I'll be reviewing as well as doing a wear test of the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Finish foundation. And this comes in 8 shades in India. Nykaa, you have 8 shades available. In abroad and foreign, you have 20 shades available. They provide a chart which is so true to what it says. You can find out what skin color you are and what undertone you have, and you get the perfect shade of foundation. I've never risked buying a foundation ever in my entire life online, but for the first time, with the help of the chart, I bought it and it was true to my color. My shade is golden beige. The packaging is very sleek. I love the packaging. It comes in a glass bottle, so I'm a little skeptical, but I don't mind the glass packaging because I'm okay with it. I'm a little careful with my stuff. So I did a mistake of like just removing it like this. You're supposed to like twist it, and it is in a very, it's not liquidy. It is a very, it's like a semi-solid kind of consistency, doesn't drip. And I like the spatula because it's easy to use. And you need only this much to cover your entire face. For me, I needed only one. Like just picked it up, finished my entire face. And I picked up another and I finished for my second layer because this is a sheer to medium coverage foundation. It is not full coverage. I prefer full coverage. So I put 2 layers to, you know, give that finish. And this foundation retails for 600, that's 599. But at a sale, I got it for 450 in Nykaa. And I think it's a steal. I'll be repeating it again, it's a steal. And it comes 30 ml it comes, so it'll last you easily for like 6 months. If you're a regular foundation user, it'll last you for 3-4 months. And to check out my entire journey, and I'll get back to you in the last. Let's see if it like lives up to the standard, and let's see whether, you know, this will be like long lasting enough. Wet n Wild has not specified any longevity of this foundation, so we're just going to test as to how many hours it's going to withstand. So I'm just going to apply that. So this is the Wet n Wild foundation in the shade golden beige. This is a photo focus foundation. I've heard so much about it. Try it out. Oh wow, feels like butter on skin. Have I had to put too much of foundation? I don't know. I just used one dip of that and I just applied whatever was on the spatula. I didn't take a second dip and apply it. So let's see how it is. The thing that I'm very scared is I hope it matches my skin tone because I bought it online using a chart. So let's see. So honestly, this is a very sheer foundation. I feel it's like you can build it up and hooray, it matches my skin so good. I like it. Wet n Wild, good job. Good job on description. Very few foundations provide a very accurate kind of description. Good job, Wet n Wild. Good job. I'm so happy. I'm just gonna like apply this one more layer. And for one dip, my full face was like covered. Excuse me. Alright, I just see it is like super blendable, super like light. It doesn't feel heavy or cakey at all, and it is good. Oh, it's a win-win. I feel that is a very sheer coverage. It's not a full coverage. For photo, I think it's for photo focus, and you know it won't show anything. So photo focus, you have to be like flawless, I feel, for a photo shoot or whatever it is. According to me, you can be your, you know, you can be your natural self also in a photo shoot, but for me, I have to be like flawless if I'm doing a photo shoot. Oh god, let's just see. I'm just like, I've applied a second layer. Oh my god, I love this foundation. I just love it. I think 2 times it's a very buildable foundation, which is something I really love. It is not cakey at all. Like, excuse me, you know the description that was given by Wet and Wild. I'll be putting it somewhere. I'll be attaching the photo somewhere for you. And what all they had actually told is true about your skin type and all of that sort. Given a very accurate description. So I am medium, and I medium skin girl, and I have a warm undertone. So good job, good job. And golden beige, I love it. I mean, like, already in love with it, but I won't give my judgments so soon. I'm gonna like wait for this to like sit on my skin, and I'll tell you the longevity of it, whether my face becomes really oily or whatever. So let's wait and watch. I'm going to use the Fit Me, Maybelline's Fit Me in the shade medium Moen to set my entire face. So it's right now 4:26. So we'll be checking back within 5 hours. Correctly 9:30 I will be checking back with you again to tell you how I find the foundation working up for me. So guys, I've been wearing this foundation for 1.5 hours now, and in the middle I had even like switched off the fan to sit and sweat and see if the foundation budged. I switched it off for 1 hour, and this foundation, what is this? This is magic. It's like it hasn't budged, it hasn't like oxidized. This is so beautiful. None of my makeup has budged, and this is just stunning. I just love it. It's so gorgeous. And in the middle I'd even shot for Instagram, and oh honey, that video, my skin looks so flawless. This is literally a photo finish foundation for sure. But let's not run to conclusions because we have like few more hours to go. I'm gonna wear this for like 5 hours just to see how it's gonna run through. So let's wait and watch. So it's 8:10 almost. So it's 1.5 hours more to go. So far so good. The weather conditions that we live in, it's extremely humid in India, and Tamil Nadu is like sultry hot. So for that, it's not very sticky. It's not at all sticky, but near my forehead it is, and it's starting to oil up a little bit. Other than that, it's going good. I'm feeling very hot right now, but I'm sweating, but it's sweat proof. But I'll keep you updated. 1.5 hours more to go. So I wore it for 5 hours. I wore it at 4:30, and now it is 9:34. So guys, that was my 5-hour wear, and truly speaking, it has become a bit oily near my T-zone, and it is a bit sticky. I live in a very humid state, Tamil Nadu, and India itself is very hot and sultry. So this is how it looks after 5 hours. It is become a little bit oily here and all, but it's completely dry. You can see this. It's completely dry, but it's a little bit sticking because it's a bit humid, but it's a bit oily here and it's a bit oily here. But overall, I love this foundation so much. It gives such a beautiful finish, and it looks absolutely stunning on camera. I shot a video for Instagram, and I was in love because the finish, the flawless finish, the look, everything was so beautiful. I'm like, what? So it was like that. So I would totally recommend you to like buy this, and that's it guys. So I just wanted to say that it's such a beautiful foundation, and if I would recommend it to you, yes, please do buy it. It is for such a reasonable amount of money. It is a steal. It is such a great foundation. I cannot stop telling you, it is so wonderful. It is so good. I'll leave the link for the foundation down in the description box. If you really like this video and you found it helpful, please do like, comment and share this video. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is in the description box below. I love you all. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah, bye.